all the good ass girl them walk out. You know this remind me of Rihanna, but she go on Instagram the other day and come post in her naked self with just shorts alone. But when Popcorn says him now wearing a lingerie tonight for him, what we are going? Yeah, come use Popcorn as excuse to post naked picture on Instagram. But I never came across his content before, so after I saw that I was like, okay, Rebel 6 is going to be the next artist that I react to on this session. It looked like him and Prince Swanny never did up on good terms, or them did a beef around the time that he passed away. So right now Rebel 6 fans, based on what I'm seeing, is basically at Prince Swanny's neck, because they are of the assumption that he had something to do with the murder of Rebel 6. So I believe that is really just when people are grieving, they want to place the blame somewhere, and Prince Swanny is just the easiest person to blame right now. The next reaction that we are going to be doing is going to be Prince Swanny's tribute to women. Let me grab my laptop. I really only had plans to do one reaction video for dancehall coming out of Trinidad for this week, but I saw this song from Prince Swanny, tribute to women, and I really was just curious to see what it was about. The thumbnail right now, the cover art have me, you know, going. There's a woman standing on this look like a stage, and then there's a lot of people around her. They have plaques saying protect women, all rapists must go to jail, and this is a whole heap of excitement. So I'm just curious to see what this song is giving. Come love Prince Swanny, you know. Prince Swanny, I'm an artist, so I'm gonna show you how I want it.
From small me know, since me a girl. Before you touch a woman, you feel ask her do. Don't fast the thing that are the most high blessing. If you have a couple female siblings and you know the thing, teach them how to psycho them rapers and predators. Know some boy dirty, that's why we need janitors. We catch them with a big file.
That's why we need janitors, cause some of them dirty. When they take on the dirty hands off of the woman them. No, me like that song here. Especially now, when they might take a woman and do all sorts of things. Jesus! I'm glad for Sister Trinidad have the same type of energy, man. Yeah, cause it's serious, it's serious times we're living in. No, just ask Fiends and we'll get it. No time. But don't go through the comment section on this already now. Like up be a comment where all them Caribbean women protect them, yeah. Protect them. And I just want the street free alone to Prince. I feel wear what we want for wear and not for work, so we attract predators. Them love. Alright, growing up, my father used to always tell me, say, dress to command respect. The way how you dress is how people think they can treat you. But I feel like there's a limit to that, because upon me want to put on one shot up underneath my arse right there, so that's not an invitation for you for grab the arse. That's not an invitation for you for think you can just deal with me like me and sell you something. You get where I come from? So I think there should be a limit to that. Yes, we must dress to command respect. We must carry ourselves in a way that we want to be respected. But at the same time, man never assume that just because they must see certain things, that means it's an invitation. Just like when them call to you and you answer, them feel like you invite them for a conversation. But that's how be polite, sir. You say good afternoon, miss, or you say hi beautiful, and I say good afternoon. But I ask you to come ask for my number. But I ask you to come talk to me. But that's how be polite. So man, if you learn that for true, I like that song, yeah. Facts. Yeah. financially independent. Talk truth. Talk truth.
That's why we have to keep on loving them. Dog, me love and protect my dream. I'm a legacy school, no 1060. My auntie always have a son of my dream. Fire, she a make sure my clean. My child, mother, Lexus and Serenity. Real them to the whole party. Don't ever wrong with it and family. Dog, me nah rape woman. Dog, go kidnap woman. I say me can't beat woman.
Listen to me, Mother Road. I am not going to listen to the entire version of this song because the need for go on Prince Swanny YouTube channel, go listen to the rest of the song. Of course, no utter number T.
Surprise, motherfucker.
I'll give the man the view. You get me? When I come here to my reaction. And that is my reaction. I love the song. It really bad. Now, the next song that I really wanted to take a look at was Nessa Preppy. Nessa Preppy, Doh Wah Love. Now that song here come out from January 6th. I saw yeah. It dropped from January 6th. But the reason why I take a look at it is because I like her. I don't know why. But see her on social media the other day and I was like, oh, this is a Trinidadian artist. But it look like a soca shadow. I don't realize a whole heap of female dancehall artists over there in Trinidad, you know. But for some reason them still give a soca vibe even more so than the male artists them. You get me? The male artists them more direct dancehall, but the female them still give me a soca vibe. But me did like the cover art for that song here and I was like, I'm gonna react to it. So like, why not? It's Nessa Preppy, Doh Wah Love official music video. So what was say she don't wanna love her what she want? So much coconut I come from? Yeah, shell it. But I drink some coconut water right now, but nah lie. I feel thirsty. But I drink some coconut water right now. Oh gosh, Nessa, drink it for me and you. And anything she throwing at the coconut? So you can chase anything with coconut water?
Give me more energy, Doh Wah Love.
Oh, so she don't want to love, she want anything. She don't know say anything will end your see. It will make her can't see nothing. No, why the girl here grab up her? Backside, good as girl like popcorn say. All the good as girl them walk out. You know this remind me? This remind me of Rihanna. But she go on Instagram the other day come post in her naked self with just shorts alone. But when popcorn says him now wearing a lingerie tonight for him, what we are going? You come use popcorn as excuse to post naked picture on Instagram. Big up yourself, Riri. I don't know, say you're honorary Jamaican already. You get what I say? We adapt here the Bayesian them. This one we adapt here. Not to worry yourself. But I like how my girl just name drop popcorn right there. So good as girl, of course. Good as girl, walk out. Baby, and I fight over the man. Because we don't want to love, we want anything. Tell them again, Nessa Preppy. Hey. No, the man here look nice though. The man there look nice. No, Nessa, but you look good though. Nessa is a real clean body girl. Watch her. Nessa look nice. My girl a defend her NSC though. I still not get over the fact say she throw the NEC in the coconut water. That can't work. You can't chase NEC with coconut water. My DSession earrings are back. I keep forgetting to wear them in the episodes, but maybe come off on an orange shirt, but I remember them this time. I'll try to remember because I'm looking DSession earring them, is it? Doh Wah Love, and the sea Doh Wah Love. Only want a body, yeah, yeah.
Give me more energy, Doh Wah Love. Energy, Doh Wah Love.
Even though me since a drinker, but still, yeah.
Only body,
Ah, yeah. I like that. That was cute. That was so cute. Alright, guys. So, when you get 2 songs in one video, back on the nice, for the life nicely, when you get 2 songs in one video. That was Prince Swanny tribute to women. Definitely check that out. That song is an anthem, when I ask Christ. And also check out Nessa Preppy, because she's too hot and she look a bit cute and a little clean skin. So, oh, popcorn, so good as girl. Yes, Nessa. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to yet another episode of the session. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you're a fan of dancehall. This is the place that you need to be. We post videos like this all the time. And also remember to hit that like button. Give my like button some love. Show my like button some love. And follow me on social media for the updates and all the loops and scoops that is happening in dancehall. And remember to also share a comment down below of what other dancehall tracks you want me to react to. I try to do reaction videos every episode, and as you guys know, I break up the episodes in hot topics just so that I'm gonna have like 2 hours worth of video footage for to watch. I kind of break them up and I deal with each story individually, so I try to include reactions as a part of those hot topics. So let me know in the comment section down below which other songs you would like me to react to in next week's episode of this session. Until next time, angels, walk good. All the beautiful people out there in the world. Bye, angels.